Happy Easter, everybody. Gonna wash up the truck on this nice Easter day. This thing is absolutely filthy. I get it cleaned up for the week. We're supposed to have some sunshine the rest of the week, so get this thing polished up, make it look nice. So a little before, our yard kitty. There he is. Guy fights raccoons. Hell of a cat. Yeah, this thing is absolutely disgusting. It's been like 2 weeks just straight going after it every day. So we'll clean this thing up. I'll show you how I do it. It's our new 40 yarder, by the way. That's a 30. This thing is gnarly how big it is. Number 18. Beauty though. Absolute beauty. Oh, it's also a brand new 15. The red guts inside, you know. It's like red bottom shoes. All the same price. It's a header bar 40. You can kind of tell, like that's also a header bar. This is a non-header bar, so you can see it has this latch right here. Not the strongest things. The ones with the headers are a lot stronger. The ones with the non-headers, this is also non-header. It's easier to dump, but the rigidity of a header, the sides don't flex when you put heavy stuff in there. So yeah, let's get to cleaning, and then yeah. All right, let's get started on this thing. It is absolutely disgusting. I'm gonna start hosing it off, get all most of the mud off here. It's really not a lot, it's just more like caked on stuff. Got a little 50-50 shot that I'm gonna spray over the frame, not the Alcoas for sure, and all that mud off. Pretty much, this stuff is like from an old timer showed us. It's called TNT. And it literally gets all that stuff off, touchless. Don't know how good it is, but he said just keep it off the polish. So that's the plan. Got a little bit of that sprayed on there. See it kind of bubbling a little bit. I'll let that sit for a couple minutes, maybe like a minute, because it's direct sunlight. And it kind of eats away most. You can see the bubbles are like dark brown. They're starting to eat away the mud and stuff. Kind of use the little Ryobi pesticide sprayer. Works great. You don't have to be hand pumping. And then yeah, still got to clean that toolbox by hand, but it does a pretty darn good job. I know it's wet. Everything wet always makes it look better. Still got to go through the frame by hand, but just knocks down most of that dirt that just sits on top of stuff. Yeah, there's still like a film, but that'll come off by hand. I'm gonna do that. There's just the bigger stuff, knocks it all down. Alrighty, let me do the other side of the frame, get all the big stuff off, when we'll get to hand washing. Yeah, just gonna start the day off by picking up this dumpster right here. Wow, it looks empty. Okay, that's fine. We go tarp it, hook up to it, and send it on down the road. Got her loaded up. Truck's looking half decent. Actually got this. Oh god, that's lovely. That trap water juice. Never can win. Never can win. Wheels look a lot good, better. Truck's actually black now, not brown. Take this thing to Devlin. Yeah, it was clean. And then just hauling a lot of rock and stuff to the quarry, to the concrete plant. And then everything decided to get absolutely filthy, but you know, a half decent truck is better than an absolute muddy truck. What's going on, guys? I'm joking. I just picked up this 15 yarder. I got it tarped. I know the last last couple of videos before this have been kind of sporadic and all over the place. It's like I start the day with some idea in my head of what I'm gonna do for YouTube, and then it's like out the window halfway through. I guess that's the life of someone with ADHD. I always start one thing and then I just completely forget about it, and then start getting busy with work or washing the truck, detailing it, and then it's like, oh shit, I never picked up the camera. I really can't finish a video that I even started. So the beginning is going to be kind of a compilation of a bunch of different stuff. I'm going to throw in a TikTok video too that I made of the truck being clean. I was hauling a lot of concrete all Monday for April Fools. So yeah, I was going to make that joke if I got pulled over by the DOT saying that my load it's really light, and then I went across the scale at 39,000 pounds of concrete, so if that says anything. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys along today. Got a couple boxes to deal with. I delivered a box early this morning, but it was pretty much dark. I was like, I don't know how good the low light is on the GoPros. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Devlin with this one and deliver it in Vallejo. And I got Max picking up a 30 right now. That's been an absolute pain in the butt to get because they like put it in their yard, and it's in Antioch. And Antioch isn't the best area, so they have to lock it up with these, like, I don't know, they're K-rails, or they're like the safety rails, or they're concrete K-rails that like they put up for when you work on the shoulder of like a highway to protect the workers. They put a bunch of those up, so it was like super pain in the ass to get it. I could have lifted it and moved them out of the way with the hook lift, but it's like, then I got to reset them up, and I'd feel bad to leave it open. You don't want to do that with a client, so I ended up just waiting. Max is doing that right now. I'm going to go into that later, and then I might be still hauling some concrete for a client of ours. We have made it. The old Devlin Road transfer station. Luckily there's no line today, which is so nice. It was backed up all the way to here yesterday. And I was like, because they were closed for Easter, which is good. It should be. But it was like super backed up. All the homeowners and stuff that usually do stuff on the weekends decided to do it on a Monday with all their kids on spring break. So these are the new shirts. Not these. Thought it'd be a little more professional. Got the little logo right there. I mean, what am I saying? Freaking American flag. I'm an idiot. Got the logo on there. Kind of feel like a little more professional with that. Gonna tarp this box. It's 30R that Max picked up. I'm gonna get this thing tarped up and then send it on down the road and go to Devlin. I'll load it up. I'm gonna head to Devlin now. Just got a little bit of weight. Tire squat a little bit. Make sure the doors are closed. Always like to make sure up there it's good. We're all set. Alright, yeah, gun finally stickered up. Ready to be going to work. A big 40. But they did a really nice paint job on this thing. I had a 70s Blazer, but the paint was way shittier than the dumpsters are nowadays. They came out real good. Besides this one needs a wash. A long ass line. I'm gonna take the bin off. I gotta untarp it and then go dump it in there. Yeah, it was like this morning I said, oh, there's no line, great, but then lo and behold, of course, my luck, that there's absolutely a long line and it took forever. Picked up a concrete box. One I literally dropped off this morning, they filled already, but they want another one, so I'm gonna go county quarry right by our yard, dump it out, and then return it, and then they're gonna fill it up again. Super nice guys. Yeah, we definitely have some awesome clients for sure. They're all super nice guys. All right, got it on tarp. It filled it perfectly. Gonna go up there and scale in and then jump on out. All right, let's get this concrete dumped. God, I got a lisp today. It's actually very difficult to do with one hand. Yeah, I got these little spindles on there. Pop those open. And you hook it up right here so that doesn't get caught. Lift this handle. Okay. Hopefully I don't lose my life here today with this loader. That dumped out. I came out smoothly. Didn't bust any taillights. That's always good. Oh my God, you're gonna back up all the way from there? Oh my God. clowns. Pretty much you dump out. And it goes down to that chute where they break it up, separate, and then that's base rock. It is probably so loud for the old headphone users. Put this pin in, make sure nothing's dangling. Oh, sounds good. Now that's totally not sketchy all the way to the truck. There's a fat crack right here where it's about to go down the hill. I risk my life every day.